Hello MIR protocol token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling well guys about the MIR protocol. Let's start the video guys without wasting any time. But if you are new to my channel, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, so kindly guys please click the subscribe button right now for more latest news and update videos about MIR protocol coin guys. Now let's start the video. First of all guys, if we see the latest price update, that what's the recent price of MIR protocol. So now the current price of MIR coin in the market is 0.1764 US dollar. That is the current price of MIR coin. And unfortunately you can see here that in last 24 hours the changes occur in MIR coin MIR protocol are completely negative and very badly the price jump. And if we see, so still guys, you can see still the price of MIR protocol are going negative and very badly jumps. So everybody are asking about it, that how we can make ourselves safe from loss and what is the best way to save ourselves from loss, what is the best way to make money with the cryptocurrency. So you know the safe way to make money with the cryptocurrency with any coin is to only hold for long-term investment guys. If you're a long-term investor, you can easily make profit with the MIR protocol. But if you're a short-term investor, so guys, there is no possibilities for you. Maybe you can profit, but you can also lose your money in invest guys. So be alert and stay active in the market if you're a short-term trader guys. Now if you talk about the prediction of MIR protocol, so you can see here the last 24 hours trading volume of MIR coin is also negative. So guys, there is less possibilities for MIR coin that they pump tomorrow guys. So please hold, I recommend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.